Hi, it's David again, and now we're going to move on to both foiling and cutting, or should I say cutting and foiling. And the reason we're combining the two is because there's just enough information on cutting to get a good feel for it, and you'll want to go to the website, which will tell you how to find your patterns, and then there's just a little section on foiling which gives you just everything you need to know there, because these are pretty straightforward since all the cuts are straight unless you do something in the line of design. Remember we talked about design before? Okay, well, here we go. Well, I think we'll move on to the cutting portion of the instruction here, and really, Jeannie, you're going to come back and help with copper foiling later, right?
Right.
Okay. I've already cut the top and bottom for this small box 3 by 3, and I've cut these side pieces that are 1.5 by 3. Now I just need the pieces for the top of the box, which are 3/4. And we use a strip cutter. You can use a hand cutter, but you'll need to grind afterwards. By using a strip cutter, we don't have to grind because it gives us such a clean cut. Now, the technique is the same all the time. We dip the cutter into the oil. We are using our exclusive orange glass cutting oil. Then you run this T-square cutter along the edge, scoring the glass. I had enough oil on that one that I didn't need to dip it again. And there we've got our 4 pieces. All right, so we've got all the pieces we need for this box and all the pieces we need for this box. So I guess we're ready to go over and start doing some copper foiling.
Okay. If you've seen any of the past projects, then you know how to do this. We just center it on the copper foil and then just move up along the foil. I like to use my thumb to push this out of my way. And then I set it, kind of looking on both sides to see if it's even. Get back to where I started and snip off, leaving just a little flag there, which I fold over, making sure it's burnished down, and then pinching. You want a nice corner, so kind of think about making the bed and putting a little nice corner on there. And I'm pinching all the way around. Then just to make sure that it's burnished, I use my fid and just go all the way around, burnishing down, making it nice and flat, because you want the solder to flow nicely over it. We have to do this to every piece. And this is nice. There aren't that many pieces. Recently we did a window that had 400 pieces. So that took a lot of time foiling. It's kind of nice if you can take your foiling down and sit and watch a good movie while you're doing it. Okay, final burnish.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I told you it was going to be just short, 2 short clips, but that was all that we felt that we needed to shoot back when we made our professional video that we sold. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you on the next installment